Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to empty OneDrive recycle bin in OneDrive app at 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need just to open the OneDrive app, okay? And after that you will need to tap your profile icon that's located on the top left corner of the screen. Right? So right now we have 3 or 4 options: recycle bin, settings, help and feedback, sign out. And we are talking about how to empty the OneDrive recycle bin. So to do that, we will of course need to tap on the recycle bin option. And inside that, you will find the files that you already delete from your OneDrive app. Okay, so to do that or to empty it, you can go and tap on this or these 3 points beside the file that you want to remove from the recycle bin. So once you tap it, you will be able to restore it or to completely and definitely delete it from your OneDrive. Okay. And even you can just long press or long tap on a file, and that's to choose multiple files. Okay, and after that you will need to tap on the 3 dots that's located on the top right corner of your screen, and then just go with delete. So that's way you emptied your recycle bin, and the recycle bin is now completely emptied. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.